Today, we review the best 5 matcha tea that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Number 1. Incha Ceremonial Grade Organic Matcha. Sourced from Uji, Japan, the Incha Ceremonial Grade Organic Matcha 1.06 ounces is a premium first harvest matcha which is USDA organic certified. The back of the packet gives full instructions on how to mix this matcha properly, although some have found that this can still be a little clumpy even after whisking. Number 2. Matcha DNA Certified Organic Matcha Green Tea. A premium Chinese-grown tea, the organic Matcha DNA Green Matcha Tea 1-2 ounces is independently tested for its quality and to confirm it is free from contaminants such as lead and cadmium. These results are published for each batch. This is a darker colored matcha tea with quite a grassy. Number 3. Kiss Me Organics Matcha Green Tea Powder. As well as being USDA certified organic, the Kiss Me Organics Organic Culinary Grade Japanese Matcha 4 ounces is non-GMO and vegan. Sourced from the finest Japanese tea plantations, this matcha is tested by a third party for its purity and quality, and these results are available to the public. Number 4. Jade Leaf Matcha Green Tea Powder. The Jade Leaf Matcha Organic Japanese Matcha is USDA certified organic and does not contain any additives. This is sourced from farms in Uji, Japan and tested by a third party. The results are available to the public. The results are also published and currently show that no tested heavy metal, radioactive, microbial or pesticide contaminants were detected in the current batch. Number 5. Zen Spirit Matcha Green Tea Powder Organic. A premium culinary grade Japanese matcha, the Zen Spirit Organic Matcha Tea 1.06 ounces is USDA organic and Jona organic certified as well as being vegan certified. This also comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back. This matcha has been tested for heavy metals and radioactivity.